like the hammer handle. I imagine there's all kinds of stuff in the blacksmith world that does the same thing.
Yeah.
But because, and nobody teaches this, you go to Barry King and they'll go, what Barry will if you talk to him, but if you talk to people, should I get a tapered or a straight handle? Well, do you have a bad shoulder? What's your tooling style? When I basket stamp, I tend to use this one because I have to get up higher, because I need more strike force. Where this, I can work tooling, carving, I can rest that, and you can see how that angle is gonna hit the tool straighter. So I've created my pod. And so we've already got them beveled too on our project, so I'll just do that so we can see it. All right. Seating. What we are really trying to do is create a look of roundness in that pod. How are we going to create round in that pod?
Follow the roundness.
Well, we don't have much roundness, it's flat.
You're gonna create some depth with upper, lower.
Okay. Typically it's just the color. Okay, so we're gonna strike harder around the outside edges and a little lighter in the middle.
Okay.
But what's gonna give the effect of round is realistically color. So dark around the edges, lighter on the inside. I will try and do this so everybody can see, and hopefully my leather don't run off. So I want to set my tool right on that line, and see how I kind of had it at a little angle. And I'm going to try and lay them in.
Oh, so you kind of point it towards the center.
On this outside
border,
row, yeah.
Border, and then it angles towards the center.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I'm going to try and have them touching as tight as I can without over stamping. It happens. Don't worry about it. So now this next one, I'm going to tilt it a little, and I'm going to get it dark, and then I'm going to come in and I tend to just kind of too bad for doing it upside down from how I normally do it. So you can kind of see. I typically will set my tool, I will tool facing me, not away from me like I did. So what you were witnessing is how I would want to be seeing it. Okay. So I tried to do a mirrored image. It actually kind of worked. But you can see how that darker color around makes it look deeper, and that lighter on top gives it the effect that it's round. But yet it's virtually the same depth.